course, we will introduce ourselves. Hi everyone, it's your boy Stel.
Bonjour, Rome! Good evening, everyone. I'm Justin. And we are SB19.
Kamusta 18? We are so happy to be here. This is our first time to perform here. And we really appreciate you guys coming here today. Bakit ba ako nag-i-English? Eh, puri-pani naman nandito. Taas kami ng mga Pinoy! International lady, put your hands up! Oh yeah, I notice everyone here. Everyone's here. And I think everyone's happy to see us for the first time here. Really? Are you guys happy to see us? We are very thankful to be here today, to perform in front of you. Thank you so much for this opportunity. And masaya po kami na masama at makabanding ang mga kababayan nating Pinoy na nandito ngayon. Yeah. Kaya may gusto ko kayo sabihin?
Alam mo, we're very happy kasi this day is very special as well. Kasi we're celebrating the 2025 Jubilee. So, yun po, talagang we're very happy and excited to be here to have this opportunity kasi it's such a big milestone for the Catholic Church. So maraming salamat.
And syempre dito sa Sama sa Roma, gathering ang lahat ng mga Pilipino for this celebration. You know what? It's a global call for unity, hope, and inspiration for all the Filipinos. Kaya nagpapasalamat po kami kasi napakaganda ng initiative nito. Naibutahan kami na mag-perform sa harapan. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng binubuo ng program.
Yeah, mga po. And there are so many pilgrims here from all over the world. Kaya naman po, gusto ko lang siyempre isa-isahin sana at magkaroon na tayo na tinatawag natin vibe check. Siyempre, who among from you guys are based in Rome? Sino yung mga galing Pilipinas? How about from the other countries? Oh, napakarami, no? Paano pag lahat? Wait, yan na yung lahat nyo? Ganyan na kayo kalakas? Isa pa, ha? One more time. Let's try it again one more time.
One more time.
18 Italy magingay! Most of you guys, syempre, are OFWs. Alam ko po yun na ito ang mga nito sa akin na tumupunta dito ay pagsapalaran para magtrabaho. At ito po, syempre, yung mga susunod po namin kakantahin ay sigurado po you will be able to relate. Ito po ay lalo-lalo sa mga magulang nangalayo sa pamilya nila. At syempre para rin sa mga anak natin na malayo sa kanilang mga pamilya rin. At syempre alam ko rin po na bawat oras na lumilipas na nandito kayo malayo sa inyong mga family, most probably you guys are running out of time as well. So, huwag na po natin patagalin para po sa susunod natin kantahin. Ito po ang mapa.
Did you guys like that? Thank you so much. We really appreciate the warm welcome. Kamusta mga kababayang Pinoy? Before anything else, of course, we will introduce ourselves. Hi everyone, it's your boy Stel.
Bonjour, Rome!
Good evening, everyone. I'm I'm Justin. And we are
SB19!
Kamusta?